Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with some beautiful fashionable handbag collection from AliExpress. But at first, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my latest videos. Okay, so let's start. So this is the first bag. As you can see, it's a woman's leather handbag. So this one is a shoulder bag and it has a long belt with it. As you can see, this is the bag. The leather quality looks so good. This is actually a high quality bag. As you can see, it has a comfortable fabric. This is the front side and this is the back side. So it's a pretty cool shoulder bag. As you can see, it is very easy to carry and it has many color options. These are the colors. The belt looks different in every color, so you can just choose your color. Each and every color is so beautiful and this bag is so classy. And this bag has very good reviews and ratings. As you can see, it has 79% 5-star ratings, which is pretty good, and more than 1,000 reviews and 2,000 orders. So this bag is very good orderable and it has very good reviews, as you can see. Okay, now let's check the price. The previous price was $33.09 and now the price is $14.56. So here is 56% discount in this bag right now. So it is very affordable. The price is really so affordable. Okay, let's see the next one. So this one is also a shoulder bag, but it's a square line bag. As you can see, this is not a big one, it's a small bag, but it is pretty cool. It has a very long belt and this one is so fashionable. It has very good capacity in it. This bag has many color options. So this one is the black color, this is brown, coffee color, so bright. This one is gray and pink. All the colors are so good and this bag has very good reviews and ratings. It has 68% 5-star ratings and more than 600 reviews and 1,000 orders. Wow, it has very much good orders. As you can see, 1,752 orders. So this is quite popular in AliExpress. Okay, now let's check the price. The previous price was $5.53 and now the price is only $4.98. It has 10% discount right now, but this bag is very affordable. In this price, this is so good. Okay, let's see the next one. So this one is a straw bucket shoulder bag. As you can see, it actually looks like a bucket, but it's a shoulder bag and this one has very good design with belt. It has a long belt, so you can just carry it as you wish. This is actually so classy and it's a travel bag. It has many color options. Let's see, this is the beige, this one is so cool, and this is the black. The leather changes the colors, but this is so good, brown and green, so you can just choose your color. This bag has very good reviews and ratings. It has 88% 5-star ratings, more than 100 reviews and 4,000 orders. This is so good. It has many orders. Okay, let's check the price. The previous price was $21.97 and now the price is $13.40. So this bag has 39% discount right now and this is a good discount. I think the price looks very reasonable. I really like this bag. Okay, now let's see the next one. Okay, so this one is also a shoulder handbag. As you can see, this is actually so colorful. It looks so good. This is a small handbag, but it has very good capacity in it, so you can just use it in your everyday work. So classy, and the leather quality looks actually so good, and it has many color options. This one is gray, this is the yellow, blue looks so good. This one is brown, pink, wow, this is a wine red, and this is black. So many colors, and every color is so good. This is a very colorful bag, and this bag has very good reviews and ratings. 86% 5-star ratings. It's a good rating, and it has more than 1,000 reviews and more than 2,000 orders. So it has very good reviews and orders. Now let's check the price. The previous price was $27, and now the price is only $15.66. So it has 42% big discount. So this is right now so perfect, or you can just carry it everywhere. Okay, let's check the last bag. So this is another leather handbag. As you can see, this is a handbag with a purse pocket. This is so good, and it is really a big size bag. As you can see, the size has mentioned, and the leather quality looks so good. It is actually a shiny leather, so it's an everyday wearable bag, and you can just carry many things in it. It has really good capacity. You can see it's a large size bag with a big capacity. So good. There is a long belt option, so you can just carry it in your shoulders. This bag looks so qualityful, and I really love it. It has very good reviews and ratings also. 81% 5-star ratings and more than 1,000 reviews, and it has 5,000 orders. More than 5,000 actually. So this is really popular bag, I think. Actually the bag is so good. I really love this bag, and it has many color options, so you can just choose your colors. Wow, the colors are so good. This is so shiny, and leather quality looks actually very good. Okay, let's check the price. The previous price was $33.89, and now the price is only $14.91. Wow, it has 56% huge discount. This is actually so good. It's a perfect bag with this price range. And this was the last bag for today. So tell me which bag you love the most in the comment section below. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay with us. Thank you so much for watching.